2025 Toyota Camry. The 2025 Toyota Camry continues the long tradition of a beloved, reliable, and affordable family sedan with modern technologies and updated designs. Toyota also plans to replace the Camry Prime with a more powerful plug-in hybrid model in the future. Performance and engine. The 2025 Camry Hybrid is powered by a 2.5-liter gasoline engine and hybrid powertrain. Combined output is up to 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive models and 232 horsepower in all-wheel drive versions. The powerful nature of the electric motors ensures highly responsive performance in the city. Interior. The interior is dominated by infotainment technology and stylish details. The spacious cabin offers plenty of leg and headroom in the front and rear, while dual-zone automatic air conditioning, a touchscreen, a digital instrument panel, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity provide a comfortable and technological driving experience. Fuel economy. EPA estimates that the most efficient LE model, the front-wheel drive Camry Hybrid, delivers 53 miles per gallon in the city and 50 miles per gallon on the highway, while the equipped XSE AWD model gets 44 and 43 miles per gallon respectively. In real-world highway testing, the XSE AWD model achieved 43 miles per gallon on a 75 miles per hour route. Pricing. The 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid starts at $30,000 and goes up to $36,000 depending on trim and features. Although the switch to a hybrid powertrain has raised its base price slightly, the Camry remains popular in the family sedan segment thanks to its affordable price, spacious interior, and high fuel economy.